Welcome students on online class subject physics for standard 12th. Today we have seen the chapter number 15, structure of atom and nuclei. In this chapter we have seen today the point unit of mass of atomic and subatomic molecules. So, molecules, or we can say that particles. In this unit of mass, these units are found using the three types. The first unit for mass, we know that mass is fundamental quantity and its unit will be kg. Its unit will be kg. So we know that subatomic particles like mass of electron, mass of proton, mass of neutron. In last video we have seen the three masses, the three types, but today we have revised the three mass of subatomic particles. For electron, mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. Mass will be 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31. Actually mass will be 9.10938 into 10 to the power minus 31. So we can also written as approximately 9.10938 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. But for problem solving we can approximately taken as 9.1. Another unit for neutron or for proton. So for proton, mass of proton will be 1.672683 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg, or 1.6726, that is mass of proton. And lastly we have seen mass of neutron, that will be 1.6746 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Here for proton it will be 1.6726 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. So comparatively we have seen that this mass of proton having value 1.6726 into 10 to the power minus 27 will be more as compared to mass of neutron. It will be 1.6746 into 10 to the power minus 27, or we can say that mass of neutron is more than mass of proton because it is 1.6746. Its value will be 1.6746. Another unit it will be named as, which is convenient for subatomic particle, it will be named as unified atomic mass, unified atomic mass unit. It can be represented by U. So first of all, we know that for 1/12 of mass of neutral carbon, it having atomic number 12. Neutral carbon has atomic number 12. So in its lowest state, its mass 1 unit, it will be 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg, or exactly value it will be 1.6605,402 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. So here, for calculation purpose, we can take approximately value. It will be 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. So here we can find out the value for 1 kg in terms of unified atomic mass unit. So it will be written as like this: 1 kg will be, it is equal to 1 upon 1.6605 unit, or into 10 to the power minus 27 U, atomic mass unit. For calculation of atomic mass unit of electron, so we know that electron having mass. So here mass of electron, it will be 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. If we can substitute the value of 1 kg, then we can find mass of electron in terms of unified atomic mass unit. So mass of electron is equal to 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 into 1 upon 1.6605 into 10 to the power minus 27 atomic mass unit U. So by rearranging, so here we can say that 9.1 upon 1.6605 into 10 to the power minus 31 into 10 to the power 27. If we can rearrange, so it will be 9.1 upon 1.6605 into 10 to the power minus 4 atomic mass unit. If we can calculate by using logarithm, so here numerator 9.1, so numerator has characteristics will be 0 point. So its characteristics for denominator, it will also 0 point. So we can subtract denominator from numerator, so that 91 is having logarithm 9590. So 16 into 6, it has value 2201. If we can subtract from 0 1, so 9 is remaining, from 9 8 is remaining, from 5 3 is remaining, from 9 7 is remaining, and 0 point. If we can take its antilog, then its antilog, it will be 5.481 into 10 to the power here 10 to the power 0, but here it will be 10 to the power minus 4 unit. So mass of electron in atomic mass unit, it will be 0.0005481 unified atomic unit, or mass of electron, it will be 0.00055 atomic mass unit. Similarly, we can calculate for proton. So for proton, we know that mass of proton, it will be 1.6726 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. In terms of atomic mass unit, so here we can written as mass of proton, it will be 1.6726 into 10 to the power minus 27 into 1 upon 1.6605 into 10 to the power minus 27 atomic mass unit. What happened? 10 to the power minus 27, 20 to the power minus 27 get cancelled. So its value, it will be 1.6726 upon 1.6605. So that if we can calculate by using logarithm, so its numerator and denominator having characteristics 0 point. Here numerator, so its logarithm will be 2232, whereas in denominator its logarithm, it will be 2201. So from 2 1 is remaining, from 3 0, when subtracted 3 is remaining, 0 0 0 point. If we can take its antilog, then mass of proton, it will be 1.007. Here 0 is there and here nothing is there. So in terms of atomic mass unit, that is mass of proton, means mass of proton is equal to 1.007 atomic mass unit. Second value. For neutron, similarly for neutron, what happened? For mass of neutron, it will be 1.6749 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Means in unit, atomic mass unit, it will be 1.6749 into 10 to the power minus 27 upon into 1 upon 1.6605 into 10 to the power minus 27. Minus 27 get cancelled. So 1.6749 upon 1.6605. If we can take the calculation from using logarithm, so what happened? Numerator, it has characteristic 0 point, denominator having characteristic 0 point. So 16 into 7, and in mean difference 4, it will be 0.2238. Here 16 into 6 in 0, it will be 2201. What happened? This is 37,000 point. If we can take its antilog, then its antilog, it will be 1.009 atomic mass unit. So here mass of proton, mass of electron, mass of neutron, it will be 1.009 atomic mass unit. So today we can find out mass of electron, mass of proton and mass of neutron in terms of atomic mass unit, second unit. And after this video, in next video, we can find out the third unit for subatomic particles.